If you're looking for a way to make your Play Store interface a little bit easier on the eyes, then you should try enabling dark mode. In this quick video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on the Google Play Store so that you can enjoy a more subtle user experience. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the end to find out how. To get started, first open up the Google Play Store and then tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. From this menu, tap on Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, tap on General and then tap on the theme. So, if you have this set to light or system default, simply tap on dark to switch to the dark theme for the Google Play Store interface. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.